Hey, what's up guys? Real quick little sneak peek. I wanted to show you guys we received the flywheel assembly from Dark Horse. This thing is pretty nice. So it has the H-beam rods. It's been plugged and welded, trued and balanced. So this is a 4 5/8 stroke, and we're going to run a 4 1/8 bore, making this thing a 124. Very, very well packaged. Came with some literature, some decals, who inspected it. So this was 0.001 thousandths out of round, which is very, very nice. Our invoice. So yeah, this thing's pretty cool. Feel free to give them a call if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys follow this motor build. This is going to be a real cool motor build. 124 twin cam on a Dyna. Once again, guys, more cool videos coming soon.